Welcome to the Grab and Go series. As we move into the summer season, one of the most common challenges across fleets are air conditioning performance. Higher temperatures, longer routes, and full passenger loads put a lot more demand on your AC system. And this is when small issues quickly turn into major failures. We provide a free summer maintenance checklist available to help you review key systems before the busy season. It's a simple resource you can use to stay organized and make sure nothing gets missed. You can find the link in the video description. During summer operation, the AC system is working harder than usual. Higher outside temperatures, longer operating hours, and a passenger load all affect system performance. The extra demand can expose small issues that may not have been obvious earlier in the season. Seasonal AC preparation is not just about checking if the system is cooling. It's about making sure the entire system is operating efficiently and ready for peak conditions. That means looking at how the system performs as a whole, not just how it feels at the vent. A proper seasonal check includes several areas: refrigerant charge, system pressures, airflow, condenser and evaporator conditions, and electrical connections. Each of these can affect how well the system performs under summer operating conditions. The goal is to identify early signs of wear before they lead to downtime. Weak airflow, unusual pressures, poor cooling performance, or electrical concerns can all point to the bigger issue developing. Catching those signs early gives your team more time to plan and respond. One of the most common things we see in the field is reactive repairs. Waiting until the system fails during peak season usually leads to longer downtime and higher costs. A proactive approach makes a big difference. It's also important to follow the correct diagnostic processes. This is not about adding refrigerant and hoping for the best. It's about understanding how the system is performing and addressing the root cause. Using the right tools and following manufacturer guidelines helps ensure the job is done right the first time. We recommend using the proper service information and maintenance guidelines available through the Hool portal, along with components manufacturer resources. By performing proper diagnostics early, you can reduce roll calls, avoid unexpected breakdowns, and keep your coaches in service when it matters the most. The goal is to confirm that the system is ready for real summer operating conditions, not just a quick check in the shop. At ABC Companies, our goal is simple: help improve reliability, reduce downtime, and keep your operation running smoothly through the busiest time of the year. If you have any questions with your AC systems or want to prepare your fleet for summer demand, our team is here to support you.